Good morning and welcome back to EVS class children. Today we are going to start chapter number 13, A River's Journey. Okay, the name of chapter, River's Journey. Look carefully at the picture of the river. Read the words given below. Okay, this is picture given. Okay, and you have to see this picture carefully, and now I am reading few words given below, that is boat, flowing water, clouds, fish, aquatic plants, river, big boat, oil, river bank, foul smell, factories, washing clothes, animals, other works, changes, city. Okay, all changes and city. Use these words to make a story and give a title to your story. Children, you can make this story, okay, or in your own word. A simple story I am telling you. Okay, this is a story. A long ago or once upon a time there was a lovely river that started from mountains. Okay, I am that started, it comes from mountains, and the flowing water of that river is was blue in color, very fresh, neat and clean. Okay, and there were many trees. You have seen there are many trees, there were many trees at the, because these are mountain, at the foot of mountain, and clouds were there on the top of mountains, and clouds were used to bring the rain, and that rainwater comes into the river. And so villagers get water from the river, and sufficient water for drinking was there from the river as they were getting. And boats were used for the communication and transportation, because here the people from the village come by the boats, and you have seen here boat, and they reach up to the city. And here they have shown the city. The environment was that time was clean, and there were many fish. Here you have seen that many fish they have drawn, and many plants are there, that is aquatic plants and trees around. Okay, on the banks of river, and bushes were also there, and some factories, you have seen some factories were there, some many factories are there along the bank of that river. After some years the factories were built on the banks of river, you have seen that. And people started living on the banks of river because of factory built there. With the passage of time, what happened, then city also, with the huge buildings were made along that bank of river. And then factories product were going into the river, and river water becoming dirty, that is for water going to be polluted here. Okay, many people here from here, and they are coming for their daily routine work like washing clothes, bathing, okay, of their animals. So water became dirty. Okay, and many waste from the factories also going to the river. And from here you have seen, and waste from the cities also, that is sewage pipe also coming into the river, so river is going to become dirty, children. Okay, so that is water is going to be polluted over here. So there were piles of dirt and foul smell coming from that river. Fish and aquatic plant, then because of that dirt and smell, suffered a lot, and therefore what happened, they died. Okay, so the lovely clean pure river of old has now become very dirty with foul smell and polluted. So this is the story. You have to write in your own words, children, that I dictated in the, okay, you can write in your own word in the simple way. Now, what is the color of water from where the river begins? Obviously you neat and clean, so it is colorless. Okay, but we usually show the water with blue color, but you have to write it is colorless. At some places there are many fish in the river. Okay, and at other places there are only few. At some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this Discuss. Where at the place where people do not stay near the river, that their water is pure. Okay, वहां पर पानी क्या होता है, प्योर होता है. इसलिए however at the places, okay, so वहां पर बहुत सारी फिश होती है. And however जहाँ पर at the place near the river where people live, जहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं, वहां पर वो लोग डर्ट और डस्ट गिराते रहते हैं रिवर में, है ना. And so water become polluted, so there are very few fishes. वहां पर बहुत ही कम फिशेस होती हैं, फिश होती हैं. At the places where the chemical waste are coming from the factory, and that waste become dissolved in the water, river water, फिर fish क्या हो जाती है, dead हो जाती है. What can be seen in the river before it reaches in the village? Before the river reaches in the village, okay, जब भी वो पानी पहुंचता है तो कैसा होता है, क्लीन होता है. और उधर बहुत सारी, हमने देखा है ना अभी रिवर में बहुत सारी फिश भी होती हैं. Many fish can be seen in the river. Now, at which places did the color of water in the river change? Why did this happen, and discuss it? Okay, so this all these questions also help to make the story. When the river passes the city, the chemical and other waste, है ना, और सब वेस्ट जो है फैक्ट्री के डिजोल्व हो जाते हैं पानी में. एंड लिक्विड वेस्ट भी फैक्ट्रीज में से आ जाता है और हाउस में से भी आ जाता है. सीवेज वी हैव सीन, सीवेज पाइप आल्सो कमिंग इनटू द, ओके. फिर इसके कारण पूरा ड्यू टू ऑल दिस डर्ट गेटिंग मिक्सड अप विद रिवर वाटर, और सारा कलर क्या हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, विच पिक्चर ऑफ प्लेसेस शोन इन द पिक्चर वुड यू लाइक टू लिव इन, व्हाई? ओके, आई वुड लाइक टू, कहाँ पर, रिवर के बैंक पर, विलेज में रहना, क्योंकि वहां पर वाटर क्या होता है, प्योर होता है. ओके, वहां पर प्योर होता है और वहां पर विलेज भी था. देन वुड यू लाइक टू चेंज एनी ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट यू सी इन द पिक्चर, व्हाई एंड हाउ? हाँ, तो तुम्हें चाहिए ना चेंजेस, क्या चेंजेस चाहिए वहां पर? आई वुड लाइक टू क्लीन द डर्ट ऑफ रिवर. पहले क्या करोगे, रिवर का पानी क्लीन करोगे, है ना. यू नो दैट गंगा का पानी भी डर्ट हो गया था, पॉल्यूटेड हो गया था, तो वहां पर भी क्लीनिंग प्रोसेसेस, ओके, गोइंग ऑन. आई वुड लाइक टू सी द फैक्ट्रीज, जो डिस्कार्ड है वो वेस्ट जो है आफ्टर प्रोसेस रिवर में जाना चाहिए, है ना. और इससे एंड हम लोगों की हेल्थ को भी केयर कर सकते हैं. what could be done to keep the rivers clean, and discuss. okay, you have to write क्या करना चाहिए, अपने क्लॉथ जो है रिवर के बैंक पे नहीं, वॉशिंग बाथिंग नहीं, और सारा सीवेज का पानी नहीं गिराना चाहिए, है ना, रिवर्स में नहीं जाना चाहिए, और फैक्ट्रीज का जो वेस्ट है वो क्लीन होकर जाना चाहिए वहां पर. So these are the preventive measures we will take. Okay. Next, if you wanted to drink some water, from which part of river would you like to drink, and why? तो कहाँ से, जहाँ से रिवर क्या होती है, स्टार्ट होती है, क्योंकि वहां पर इम्प्योरिटीज मिक्स नहीं होती, तो वहां से पानी पीना पसंद करोगे, है ना. क्लीन होता है और प्योर होता है. इन द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ पिक्चर द रिवर फ्लोज इनटू द सी. हैव यू एवर सीन द सी वेयर आई इन अ मूवी और समवेयर? हाँ, वहां पर सी में जाता है, और सी है कहाँ का देखा है, दीव दमन का या बॉम्बे का या चेन्नई का, जहां का भी आपने देखा है, यू कैन राइट इन योर ओन वर्कबुक अकॉर्डिंग टू योर, ओके, चॉइस, जो तुमने देखा है या पिक्चर में देखा है. हैव यू एवर बीन नियर अ रिवर और सी, हाँ, व्हेन, तो कहाँ पर जहाँ गए थे वो लिख सकते हो आप, ठीक है. फिर शो, ये these are the question on your, okay, experiences you have to write. Okay, these are few question you have to write, and I will send you the answer. Get information about river, pond, puddle, that is also your activity. Okay, that questions based on activity, so you have to do this activity. तुम्हारा experience यहाँ पर लिखना है. Now question, how does water become dirty? You saw in the picture that as the river flows near many villages, towns and city, the people use the river water for different purpose, like washing clothes, bathing animals, and cleaning utensil. Thus, the river is not same like when it was in the beginning. Many of these activities made the water dirty. The water in the river kept changing as it flowed through the various places. Water in the ponds and lakes can also make dirty due to similar reason. Children, ये तो हम सब जानते ही हैं कि जो रिवर का वाटर है वो जो है पिक्चर में जैसे देखा है तुमने ऊपर जो फोटो पिक्चर बनाई है, फ्लोड नियर मैनी विलेजेस, वहां से टाउन से विलेज से टाउन से सिटी से और है ना होता हुआ निकलते हैं और बहुत सारे जो ताकि लोग उसे यूज कर सकें। कौन कौन से पर्पस के लिए? वॉशिंग क्लॉथ्स, बाथिंग यूटेंसिल्स, क्लीनिंग ऑफ यूटेंसिल्स के लिए, बाथिंग एनिमल्स के लिए। फिर रिवर वैसा तो रहता नहीं है जैसा शुरू में आया था, डर्टी हो जाता है ना। फिर इसलिए रिवर का जो वाटर है वो चेंज हो जाता है और सेम वे पॉन्ड्स का वाटर भी इसी तरह डर्टी हो जाता है। फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू गेट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, अ रिवर और अ लेक, है ना। हमारे यहाँ कौन सा आता है? नर्मदा वाटर। सो यू हैव टू राइट कि जो आता है, लेकिन हम कहाँ से लेते हैं? हमारा कारपोरेशन, लेकिन नर्मदा का। फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी यू विल नीड टू ब्रिंग सर्टेन थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर होम। यू ओके, ये एक्टिविटी है ये सब करने वाली। व्हाट विल यू डू? Feel about how. Yeah, activities are children that you will perform at home. You read this activity and can do at home. Okay, and can write all these observation, children, in that. Otherwise, I will show you how to do, children. Okay. First, इतना आप read करो जितना मैंने explain किया है. Okay, then afterward we will discuss about these activities. First you read up to that I explained, then afterward I will tell you about the activities.